It's visual literacy that we are going to discuss. We are literate in many different ways. We can read, write, but expressing our ideas through visual means is also another kind of literacy that we are all are not very comfortable about. There are reasons that sometimes we feel that we need to depend on a common intuition or totally depend on a common worldview to communicate through visuals, and there is no particular symbol available, nobody is there to teach certain thing in a certain manner. There is no fixed language, or people have different ways of communicating their ideas. So, in that way, let us just go to the basic and try to decode and simplify all these problems slowly. Now, as children, we all doodle and scribble on wall, on floor, or on any given surface. That is perhaps our natural tendency to keep on scribbling on different surfaces. But then as we grow older, we are told and oriented in a particular order. Those scribbling, those innocent and effortless doodlings are slowly oriented into better formation. So, we learn by doing different things. We learn how to make a standing line, a vertical line, a sleepy line, maybe a half circle, a full circle, and of course, the slanting lines to use them as units, and slowly we learn how to form sentences, how to form words to begin with. So, a slanting line, another slanting line from a different order, and a horizontal line can make a standing line or a vertical line, and two half circle can form a B, and a half circle in a different direction can form a C. And that way we go on and on in our learning process. So, there is always someone older who takes the charge to orient us into writing. We are taught handwriting, we are also put formula into learning. So, these are the way we convert our experience into formula. Now, at this point, it is more like that we forget how to doodle. Many of us we forget, and we do not feel like doodling anymore. That comes as meaningless scribble for us, whereas writing becomes more meaningless in our formation. Like if we just put ABC, it does not mean anything, but if you write POT, it of course gives us some meaning, and we are happy with that. Now, of course, it becomes more convincing. It also works in as a practical tool, but many of us we also continue with both. We scribble, we doodle, we come up with images, we also study from nature, we try to imitate nature, and we come up with different complex forms and formations all our life along with writing. There are also people who do not get oriented, they cannot even write, but those are special cases. But there are people who are not just comfortable with the formula, and they just want to depend on experience. So, it becomes very difficult to lead a practical life, but there are different ways of expressing our ideas, that is for sure. So, who should we consider as a visually literate person? That the person who can think visually. So, you may have one idea of a pot and you write like 3-letter word P-O-T, you read them together and that gives you the idea of a pot. That is one way of expression. You can also imagine a pot, because the other pot, which is a written pot, that is a generalized idea. It does not really tell you anything about a particular shape. So, you may have a pot in your mind which looks different from any other pots. So, this is in your mind, in your imagination, and the visually literate person, he should look like any other person, that like he is not actually made with a special feature, but of course with special talent. So, he is a person, let me just consider this person as a visually literate person, and he knows how to imagine, how to think visually. So, this is something that he has in his imagination, and given a brush in his hand, he can also produce an image of a similar kind. So, whatever he has in his mind or whatever he has thought or conceived, he is able to produce that on paper or on canvases or any given surface. So, that makes him a visually literate one, that he can write, he can also produce images. Now, that is all about visual literacy, and we need that visual literacy to make our ideas more simplified. We use it for many different aspects where the language is not sufficient for communication. We can think of interesting and new images that we do not have a form, and we are the first person to come up with a new form. So, this is useful, and visual references makes communication convenient in many different ways, and we express some ideas through visual image because we consider it is to be the most suitable for our purpose. So, some people, or maybe the artist, the graphic artist, the designers, they feel that that is the most suitable way to discuss or express our ideas. So, it just goes on that way. Now, as we talk about formula and experience in visual communication or expressing visual ideas, this is very important to understand how we formulate and how we experience from nature. Now, maybe we are familiar with animals. If somebody tells us to make an animal, we just cannot write. Now, the question is, what is this? To have some example to give, some visual example. So, you can quickly draw a figure that does not look like human being, but this is a very simplified thing. What like this is one image that comes under this category. So, this is not a human figure or bird, this is an animal. But what if we talk about a particular animal, let us say a donkey, and you need to make somebody understand that this is a donkey and it is not any other animal but donkey. Now, you can go by the same formula and make a donkey here, but there is no surety that the donkey will look like a donkey. What if somebody reads this as a horse? So, we need some special observation to make a donkey look like a donkey. Now, we go for special formula because by experience we may not make observations that accurately. So, in that way maybe we are taught in some point of time in our life that donkey is more cylindrical and dwarfish than a horse. So, in a donkey like the formula of making a donkey becomes like you have a cylinder here, you make another cylinder here, you make a face here, you have it has different ears, and that gives you a satisfactory shape of a donkey. You do it with a lot of confidence. So, this still does not look like a donkey. So, it is not a cylinder, and you know that the cylinder has to be curved out after a certain point. So, that is our way of creating a donkey, and you are happy with this because you know this particular form looks more like a donkey and it also gives you a formal shape. So, you can easily erase out certain part that are not needed, and nobody can make out that you have used a block for this. Now, this is how we look at things, we learn and we make our learning easier for us. So, these are certain things that are derived from our understanding. It is not just observation, but the understanding that comes handy for it, and we have many formulas like that. For example, if you ask like somebody to make a bird and you make a shape like this, that may look two dimensional and it may just look like a bird, but a very decorative and very ordinary bird. Whereas, if you tell somebody like they may not make your hand move in much of a confidence to work on the contour, but given the basic format, it is much easier to create a bird. So, you have a support there and the bird is made. Once you are taught this formula, you may not feel like doing anything else. This is so comfortable and convenient that you keep on making birds in a particular way, and every time you try to idealize it as a bird and this as a donkey. So, all donkeys will look like this and all birds will look like this to your understanding. So, it totally depends on what we want as visual expression. So, a visually literate person doesn't go by symbols and formulas always. They have a wide range of understanding, they have a wide range of example in front of them in nature and they go with it. So, a visually literate person, when he decides to explore forms in many different ways and he creates things by creating new formula every day and following it, he makes a mark. And that is how we get into art. And in the next lecture, we are going to discuss what art is and what makes art art, what are the different ways of expression, what we can, how we can develop our own style, how we do not just follow others' formula and create the formulas of our own and move in the individualistic manner as the modern artists do.